Editing your log or duty status by creating or inserting a missing log. Start by tapping the log icon. Scroll down and tap the graph corresponding to the date that needs editing. Then tap the pencil icon in the top right corner. Next, tap the log editing icon. Select Insert Missing Log and tap the log time box. On the time selector, tap the hour of the time needed. The hours are based on a 24-hour clock, the outer circle used for AM, and the inner circle used for PM. For example, when selecting 3 PM, tap hour 15. Next, select the corresponding minutes. For 13 minutes past 3 PM, tap and drag the circle slowly to the number 13. Next, tap the duty status box. Tap the icon that indicates the duty status you wish to insert into your log. If the location box is empty, you can add the information manually by tapping the location box and filling out the location details using the keyboard, tapping OK when done. A comment or explanation for the log edit is required. Do this by tapping the comments box and typing out the appropriate details, tapping Save when complete. To set a vehicle, tap the Set Vehicle icon and choose the appropriate vehicle selection from the drop-down and tap the check mark. Add a trailer if needed by tapping Set Trailer, then tap the Add Trailer Plus symbol. Make your trailer selection from the drop-down menu and tap the check mark. Follow the same procedure when adding shipping documents. When the edit details are correct and complete, tap the Save icon in the top right corner.